Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to remove a member on Slack. So this is going to be particularly useful for, let's say, team members who have already left the company but still have their accounts on Slack, or maybe someone you had to let go and again, they still need to be removed from Slack. Either way, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, so make sure to stick around. Let's get started. Now, here we are on a demo Slack channel, and right now there's only 2 members who are part of this channel. How do I go about removing Baileygo as a member? In order to do that, you're going to highlight your name of your workspace here and then click on it until a drop-down menu appears. Next, you're going to highlight Tools and Settings and then scroll down to where it says Manage Members. When you click on Manage Members, you're going to reach this page here, which is a full table list of all your members. You can see miscellaneous data on them, such as the account type, billing status, authentication, expiration date, and date joined. Now, in order to actually remove Baileygo, what you're going to do is click on these 3 dots here and then click on Revoke Invitation. Now, the reason why you see Revoke Invitation, your prompts might look different from mine depending on their account type. If Baileygo was already a member, there would be a drop-down to actually remove or place Baileygo as an inactive member of your workspace. So I hope you found this video helpful. This is the best and easiest way that I've found to actually go ahead and remove members from your Slack channel. If you know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.